Okay, welcome back, and now we're going to do examples of where, in the case where when B is unknown. Okay, so again, we're setting up our proportion the same way. So it's going to be P over B equals R over 100. Okay, or if you want to put 100%. Okay, so the portion over the base equals the percentage over 100%. Okay. And so now the unknown is B, so let's solve for B, right? Well, to solve for B, we're going to cross multiply, right? So if we cross multiply, what do we end up getting? We get 100P equals what? B times R. Now, since we're solving for B, B is the unknown. So we're going to divide both sides by what? R. And so we end up with B equals 100P over R. And so that's our formula, if you will, for finding B. But it all starts with the same proportion. All of these problems start with the same proportion. So now, if I wanted to answer this question, again, there's different ways of asking or stating the problem. So I could say 8.7 is 30% of what number? I'm looking for the base, right? 30% of what number? So remember, the base always follows the of. 30% of what? 30% of the base. 30% of what number, right? Again, we're just phrasing this differently, right? Is the 30% of what number is 8.7. Right? And all we did was rephrase the words, right? All we did was put the words around. 8.7 is 30%. 8.7 is 30% of what number? Find a number such that 30% of it is 8.7. Okay? Again, these are different ways of phrasing the same thing, the same type of problem, where the base is unknown. Okay, so now in this case here, all we have to do is substitute in for P and R. Well, P is the portion. What's the portion? 8.7. So it's going to be 100 times 8.7 divided by the percentage, which is 30%. Okay. Now, since this is 100%, the percentages are going to cancel out, and we're going to end up with a number. Okay, so what do we get? If we multiply this 100 by 8.7, we get 870 divided by 30, or 87 over 3. And 87 over 3 will give us 29. Okay. Now, always want to check your answer, right? If 29 is the base, then what? We should take 30% of that and see if we get 8.7. Or we could take 8.7 divided by 29 and see if we get 30%. Okay? But again, this is probably better. We can multiply 29 by 29 times 30%, or 0.3, and see if we get 8.7. Okay, so always check your answer to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Okay, have a great day.